Hi. You coming to this ball? Try to move it? Try to move the big cement ball? And this one? One of these balls has got to move. You know what's wrong with these balls? How come they don't move? Darn giant cement balls. Careful. Oh God, what are you doing? You giving the ball kisses? Oh, don't do that. Hi. Up? Okay.